Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Honda Amaze facelift, which is expected to be launched on the 18th of August. The Honda Amaze is one among the best-selling models for Honda India, and the current second-generation Honda Amaze model was launched a couple years ago. So Honda India has been silently readying a facelifted model of this compact sedan with cosmetic and feature upgrades. However, prior to the launch of this facelifted model, the prices of this current version of the Honda Amaze have been increased. While all the petrol versions of the Honda Amaze have seen a price hike of under 10,000 rupees, the diesel versions have become much more premium, with the price hike ranging from rupees 77,000 going all the way up to rupees 1,12,000 for the top spec VX CVT diesel variant. Now let's talk about the details of the new facelifted Honda Amaze. Honda India has just recently posted a teaser video of this new compact sedan, which gave us a hint as of what to expect from this new facelifted model. However, now that the new facelifted Honda Amaze has already started reaching dealerships, completely exposed images of the facelifted model have already surfaced online. First of all, talking about the exteriors, the front end of the Honda Amaze facelift gets a significant update with an updated chrome grille design and the new chrome design elements on the fog lamp enclosures. The new updated grille now gets a much more slimmer chrome beam running across the width of the car while also connecting the headlamps. And apart from this massive chrome beam, the new grille features two more thinner chrome slats similar to the ones seen on the Honda CR-V. And yes, the top spec variants of this new facelifted Honda Amaze will also get LED projector headlamps and LED projector fog lamps as well. As seen on the teaser video posted by Honda, the C-shaped tail lamps will also get LED elements, which look much more premium than before. Another noteworthy change on this new facelifted Honda Amaze are the 15-inch alloy wheels. The new facelifted Honda Amaze will feature the dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels seen on the previous generation Honda City's top spec variants. Coming to the interiors, however, the Honda Amaze facelift will feature the very same design and layout, with some new brushed aluminium finishes on the dashboard and doors and an updated upholstery design. Honda is also likely to introduce connected car features on the top spec variants of this new Honda Amaze facelift. Apart from these updates, the Honda Amaze will carry forward all the features seen on the pre-facelifted model, including a touchscreen system, automatic climate control, auto-folding ORVMs, all 4 power windows, push-button start with smart key access, along with standard safety features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and central locking. Apart from these cosmetic and feature updates, the Honda Amaze will still carry forward the very same engine and transmission options. The 1.2-litre iVTEC petrol engine will produce 90 PS of maximum power and 110 Nm of maximum torque through either a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic gearbox. The 1.5-litre iD-Tech turbo diesel engine, on the other hand, will produce 100 PS of maximum power and 200 Nm of maximum torque mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. However, the CVT automatic turbo diesel version of the Honda Amaze produces 80 PS of maximum power and 160 Nm of maximum torque. Stay tuned for further detailed updates on this new Honda Amaze facelift. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.